This is your lucky day because I found the perfect recipe to sell digital products in 2026. So I'm about to show you how I recently made 100 sales of a single digital product that I generated with AI within 48 hours. $0 spent on ads and without leveraging my huge audience on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So I want to share with you first, before everybody else, this secret recipe, while everybody else is wasting time trying the old ingredients that don't work anymore. Using static websites, courses platform, old boring platforms, where the conversion rates die completely. So the 2026 method that you should try is a two-part system. A golden traffic source that everybody is ignoring, and a new type of a creator tool that is like a Swiss knife in your hands. So I'll break down exactly the steps you need to follow from zero, having no idea, to getting your first sales. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So we're gonna be using the help of Gemini 3, the best model probably out there right now, even better than ChatGPT, because it's much more thorough in the analysis it provides. And to me, and for the marketing outcomes that I'm looking for, I think Gemini 3.0 right now is the best LLM model. So, depending on your needs, we're gonna be trying to find an actual solution to a problem, a transformation, right? That's what we sell. We don't sell a course. We sell a promise for a transformation. I'll take you from having a 9 to 5 to your first online income online. That's a transformation, right? And you need to choose a niche because digital products work. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with that. Courses, digital downloads, communities, you name it, and other people have made millions, literally. So we're gonna start by asking Gemini, come up with 5 digital product ideas that are easy to create and very possible to be sold through content. I am into the digital marketing niche, in my case, right? And I want to create 5 different product ideas that offer a clear transformation that creates a FOMO to people, the fear of missing out, right? They need to feel that they're gonna miss out if they don't get that product. What would be the top 5 topics you would choose? Let's see. Now, we're not gonna create whatever Gemini gives us because we're gonna do that later. I'm gonna show you one more step, right? So after a few seconds, Gemini gives me 5 really sophisticated ideas, not just, a generic course idea that probably ChatGPT will give you. The viral hook and script swipe file, which is how to create content that actually gets views, right? With amazing hooks, with a formula that guarantees attention, a list of 50 hooks that 7-figure creators are using, right? So this could be a transformation, right? Go from no views to consistent high views with your content. That could be a transformation course, right? The 15-minute audit for your brand and your content, the ghostwriter AI prompt pack, the agency in a box, right? Somebody who wants to start an agency, you provide a digital product that is an agency in a box. How to start, what to do, what to not do, how to create content for others, what are the assets that somebody should have. So you need to select one of the topics and then break it down in 10, 15 different topics because we're gonna test it before we create anything. Let me show you. So we're gonna ask Gemini now to give me 15 content ideas or even more, right? Based on these 5 ideas that it generated for us, or 10 ideas if you want, or whatever ideas you're gonna produce, ask Gemini to come up with 20, 30 content ideas for these digital products so you can test things on Facebook. Yes, Facebook. Facebook right now, for me, and I've seen that with so many creators, the best organic reach platform out there. It's like TikTok back in 2021. Huge organic reach with minimum effort. And if you don't believe me, check those text posts. The moment I started producing in bulk text and image posts that I generate with AI, I get 200,000 views, 300,000 views, 1 million views on every single post. And the beautiful part with that is that I can have also links in the comments. Hold that information, right? We're gonna use it later. So we're gonna get those Facebook threads from Gemini where we post a hook with a text and then in the comments we share a thread exactly like we do on Twitter, on X, right? So I'll show you exactly how to create your first thread, right? We're gonna go to Gemini and ask for one of these ideas to transform it into an actual Facebook thread, right? So you see the actual prompt right here, create for me in a Facebook thread format, the idea number 2. It will give you the hook. You need to make it short. And then we're gonna take every single comment and we're gonna go to Facebook, start a new post, as you see right here, and then copy the hook, select a color. We want it to look like this, to pop out. You need to cut some phrasing if you want to make it fit within the color text, like this. You need to post it, right? Add also some emojis so you can really direct people to the comment section. And then we're gonna go to comment section and just copy every single comment like this. The permission ask, paste it. Number 2, the 15-minute hard cap, and so on and so forth. You're gonna copy all the different ways that you promise in the hook. And then in the last comment, you can post your link, right? Or you can have also in every single comment one link if it's relevant to the post. The idea here is to create traffic because people go to the comment section and start searching for answers, and most of them click on the links, on the digital products that we're gonna create exactly right in the next step, right? So you're gonna post it right here. As you see, I post my Facebook guide that I have created recently. I just copy the link, paste it, boom, that's it. My first post is done. I want to do that again and again with all the different posts that we're gonna create with AI in order to experiment, to get feedback fast. I post on Facebook 5 to 10 times per day because you see how easy it is, right? Within 5 minutes, you can have a post that can get to 200,000, 300,000 views, and you get a great understanding whether there is a high interest for this topic. So once you find, with the help of Gemini and your Facebook posts, right? After running some experiments within 3-4 days, not more, right? You're gonna select the topic that looked like that it has the most traction, and you're gonna ask Gemini to create a digital product like 10 pages max for the topic, for example, viral hook and script, right? It will start creating the whole product for you, all the 10 pages. Whatever you want to change, you can obviously keep prompting, right? And you can turn that either in video if you want to create your own video course, or digital product, right? A PDF document that, as you see, I have it in my profile right here. This is the tool that I'm gonna talk about, Pop.store. This is what I'm using currently to host my video courses, as you see right here.
Try to fit in, but they're trying to stand out. And what I mean by that is instead of you trying to fit in the trends, is you becoming the trend. Is you.
So this is one of the digital episodes that I have uploaded, which plays for a few minutes and then you need to pay in order to watch the full series, right? You see all the different episodes right here. You can purchase for once or pay a subscription. I have access to everything that I upload on my tool, right? Which I will explain and show you right after. This is another episode, and so on and so forth. You can see all the different chapters right here. And this is one of the digital downloads that I have. Another one, 22 legit ways to make money online. This is how yours will look like as well. You can download it here for $50, for example. And we will copy the content from Gemini. We will open a new Google Doc. We will paste it right here. And then all you gotta do is download it as a PDF document. That's it. Your digital product is ready, and we're gonna go to the next step where we upload it and we're ready to sell. So this is the tool we're gonna be using. It's called Pop.store, and it's probably the most complete creator tool that I've seen. Check how many features it has. You can live stream, you can have your community channels, you can have your digital products, your affiliate products, your merch store, you can have your calendar bookings, you have AI features that can help you produce more content, or auto-reply on your social media without you having to reply everything alone. Because especially when you will start doing what I'm showcasing to you, you're gonna get much more attention, many more comments, and eventually sales. So you see how many different features it provides. You can own your own audience because people subscribe to your Pop.store and you own them with their emails. You have their contact details. You can communicate with them through Pop.store. You can create communities. Here are the total sales, as you see, driven mostly by the digital product that I told you earlier. This is for the last 30 days, by the way. And this is how it looks. I have all my different links. I have my consultation program, the different digital products as we saw before, my YouTube videos, and we're gonna upload right now our digital product, the one that we created previously. You're gonna go right here that says sell digital products, create a new digital product. This window pops up. We're gonna enter the title, which is how to go viral in 30 days. Select the category, course or tutorial, copy the whole text. You can ask Gemini to come up with a description, right? So you can add some more marketing materials right here. Post it right here, select the price. I will go for $9, which is much easier to sell, right? Low barrier to entry. Upload some images. I'm just selecting something random just to give you an idea of how it works. A thumbnail, you need to create something that really pops, right? Is meaningful and relevant to what you're selling. You can create also an entire landing page from scratch. And just by that, my product is published. Here it is. I create a promo tool, and this is how it looks in my Pop.store. People click on that, it opens, and now all I gotta do is start creating content on Facebook and build my own funnel with auto replies, which is DM automation, where you can select a specific post and send directly to people the link in their DM. As you see right here, for example, in this post, we have activated the automation from Pop.store, and every single time that somebody comments build, they get the link with the course in their DM, right? This can get you so many sales if you start getting the traction, of course, right? You can set as many sequences as you want right here. You can also configure different subscriptions for people to have access in your entire list of offerings. You can create your own video series, like a video series with Facebook content, right? A video series with AI-related content. And in that, you can sell specific products, or you can set a subscription to give access to this specific series, right? Like your own Netflix, where people pay to see your next video. It looks like this. You see a series with AI tools, a video series with monetizing on social media, my income ideas, business videos, and so many others, right? You can do as many things as you want. It's completely customizable, easy to use, and the videos show exactly like on social media, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. This is my digital product, the Facebook monetization playbook. Make sure to post also some images so you can help people visualize what exactly they're getting, right? The actual result of what you're teaching. And here are the sales, as you see the notifications that I get every single time that something is being sold in my email. And you might have seen that Store is one of the ways that most creators are using right now to sell stuff. But check how limited it is in terms of offerings versus Pop.store. Check it out. Look the list of the things that you can do comparing to Stan for half the price per month. I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? If you want to try it yourself, check it out from the description, and you can use my limited time offer. And I want you to send me also in the comments your digital products. I want to actually see them, right? So I can give you feedback and tell you how to promote them further. This is the benefit of you going until the end of the video, getting to this point, because I will give you feedback in the comment section so you can promote and sell more from your digital product. I hope this helped. I'm looking forward to see you win, and until next time, simply hustle.